you know the difference between virgin olive oil and extra virgin olive oil? Now, I know you know that extra virgin olive oil is better quality than virgin olive oil, but do you know why? Right, well, I'm here to tell you. So, okay, virgin olive oil, the first thing we're going to look at is acidity. Now, with virgin olive oil, it needs to be at an acidity level 2% or less. It cannot be more. Extra virgin olive oil needs to be less than 1% acidity level. In fact, it needs to be less than 0.8% acidity level in extra virgin olive oil. And how do they do that? Right, so you've got olives on the trees and they start off with 0 acidity level. If they get overripe, then what will happen? They get more acidic. And also, once you harvest them, if you don't harvest them and process them like within 24 hours, they get more and more acidic. So what happens with extra virgin olive oil? They get them at the perfect ripeness and they will process them. In other words, cold press them, get the oils out within 24 hours so the acidity level does not rise. Remember, the longer it's off the tree, the more it will get acidic. That's extra virgin olive oil. So no chemicals used, no solvents used, cold pressed, perfectly ripe, lower acidity level. Our friend the virgin olive oil, well, we can't say the same for that because they might use chemicals, they might use solvents to get more extraction out of them. They might even blend some extra virgin olive oil in the blend to make it taste better, because once you start using chemicals and solvents, then you decrease not only the nutritional value but also the beautiful aroma and also the taste. So what they're trying to do is to make the virgin olive oil taste better by adding some extra virgin olive oil. So we've got big differences in acidity, the way it's processed, and also we've got blends, solvents, possibly chemicals, possibly more acidity level. So when it comes to using olive oil, to me there really is only one choice, because it's going to be more nutritious, it's going to taste better, it's going to smell better, all round better for you. So then you might have to think about this. Okay, now if you go to a store, flip over to coconut oil. Now this is coconut oil, this is extra virgin coconut oil. Now I had a choice because right next to this, they had virgin coconut oil. Extra virgin coconut oil and virgin coconut oil. What are the differences? I tell you right now, the differences between virgin coconut oil and extra virgin coconut oil are 0. That's right. It's a marketing ploy. There is no difference. You can just put extra virgin extra virgin coconut oil. You can put virgin coconut oil, whatever you like. It's not regulated like it is with the olive oil industry. So when it comes to your coconut oil, if the virgin is cheaper than the extra virgin, get the virgin because they're exactly the same.